Hi guys, this is Mehdi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change IP address in iOS device for free. Let's start. First, go to Apple Store. Then search private VPN UK. Download and install this application. After that, open the app. Select Continue. Tap on Continue again. Please close this page. In this step, choose Server. You have 80 different IP addresses here. You can choose every country you like, and all of them are free. For example, let me choose Brazil. Select Connect. Tap on Allow. Select Allow again. Tap on Continue to App. Great! As you can see, our IP was changed very fast and safe. So let me choose another country. For example, Belarus. For every location, you have different IP address. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you require additional information, please let me know.